Hello guys, welcome back to Solution Mitra. So today question is find the sum of rational expression 2x minus 3 upon x square plus x minus 2 and 3x minus 1 upon 2x square plus 5x plus 2. So we have to find the sum of these two fractions, and the fraction are in the form of polynomial. Let's see how we find the sum of these two terms. So first I write 2x minus 3, and the denominator x square plus x minus 2 can be written as x square plus 2x minus x. This x can be written as plus 2x minus x, which gives us x minus 2. This is a quadratic equation, and we have to find the solution. So I can change this quadratic polynomial into its factor in this manner: plus 3x minus 1, this term divided by 2x square. And how we can write this term? We can write this term as 4x plus x plus 2. Now we can write 2x minus 3 upon, take x common from these two terms, so inside we have x plus 2 minus 1 as common, so inside x plus 2, this whole, and the sum plus 3x minus 1 divided by this term. In these two terms we can take 2x as common, so 2x, take 2x as common. Inside the bracket we remain with x plus 2, plus take 1 common from these two terms, so we can write this as 1 into x plus 2. Now what we can do, we can write 2x minus 3, and taking x plus 2 common from these two terms, so it is like x plus 2, and inside we remain with x minus 1 plus 3x minus 1 divided by, take x plus 2 common from these two terms, so x plus 2, and inside we have 2x plus 1. Now we have to find the sum of these two fractions. So what we do, we take LCM of denominator of these two fractions. So LCM of these two fractions will be x plus 2. X plus 2 is the common factor of both denominator, so we take x plus 2 once into x minus 1 from this denominator, and 2x plus 1 from this denominator. And in a numerator what we have, this denominator divide this LCM, so we got quotient as 2x plus 1, and this quotient multiplied with nominator of this fraction, so it is like 2x minus 3 multiplied by 2x plus 1 plus 3x minus 1, 3x minus 1, this term multiplied with, first we divide the LCM by the denominator of this fraction, so what we got, we got x minus 1 and the quotient x minus 1 multiplied by denominator of this fraction, so we have this expression. Now what we do, now further solving, we have to multiply these two polynomial. So how we multiply polynomial? First 2x multiply with this second polynomial 2x plus 1, then this minus 3 multiplied with this polynomial 2x plus 1. In same manner here 3x multiplied with x minus 1 and minus 1 multiplied with x minus 1, this whole term divided by, first we multiply these two terms, so it is like x into we put it in bracket, so x multiplied by x minus 1 and plus 2 multiplied by x minus 1 bracket close into this whole multiplied by 2x plus 1. Now what we do, now 2x multiplied inside the bracket, so 2x into 2x, what we got, 4x square plus 2x into 1, 2x minus 3 into 2x, 6x, 3 minus 3 into plus 1 minus 3 plus 3x into x, 3x square, 3x into 1 minus 3x and minus x, and minus minus gives us plus, so plus 1. This whole term divided by inside bracket x multiplied with x, so it is x square minus x plus 2 into x, 2x minus 2 into 1, 2. This whole term multiplied with 2x plus 1. Now what we got, we have 4x square and 3x square, so 4 plus 3, what we got, 7x square and 2x minus 6x minus 4x and minus 4x minus 3x minus 7x and minus 7x minus x minus 8x minus 8x, and this minus 3 and this plus 1, minus 3 plus 1 equal to minus 2. This whole term divided by x square minus x plus 2x minus 2, so this is x square minus x minus no minus minus x plus 2x gives us plus x minus 2. This term multiplied with 2x plus 1. This is basically just simplification. I hope you know how to simplify the polynomial, how to multiply polynomial, and how to divide polynomial. I'm just simplifying these polynomial by multiplying inside bracket and whatever is in the question. So now 7x square minus 8x minus 2 divided by again this polynomial multiplied with this. So how we can write 2x, first we multiply 2x with this polynomial, so it is x square plus x minus 2, and then plus 1 also multiplied with this polynomial x square plus x minus 2. Now what we got, 7x square minus 8x minus 2 as denominator upon denominator as 2x multiplied inside, so it is 2x cube plus 2x square minus 4x, here x square plus x minus 2. Now after adding common term 7x square minus 8x minus 2, common order variable, like here we have 2x cube plus x square and here also x square, so 2x square plus x square gives us 3x square, and minus 4x plus x gives us minus 3x, and finally we remain with minus 2. So this is the simplest expression I got from the simplification of this term, which these two terms we have to find summation of these two fraction which are in the polynomial form. So you can see how we proceed the summation of the given expression. I hope you understand the concept. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and take care.